Rosy isn't just a platform, it's an ecosystem you can sort, learn, sell, and interact all in one place. Our goal is simple: ensure that waste doesn't just end up in landfills, but gains new economic value. First, all you need to do is making an account, but since I already have one, I'm going to use that. After you're logged in, you can try the scan feature. The process is simple and fast, involving 3 main steps. First, choose the waste category. Second, scan and take a photo of your waste. Rosy's AI identifies the material instantly. And you'll receive step-by-step instructions on how to upcycle it into something creative. If the item has value, you can list it on our marketplace. Don't worry, our Rosy bot automatically removes any non-waste pods to keep the market clean. Rosy also have a course that you can enter to learn more about your waste. Through Rosy course, you can complete interactive modules on waste management to reach students worldwide. The platform is available in 3 languages: English, Indonesian, and Mandarin. Every activity, whether scanning, waste, or finishing course, earns you Rosy points. These points are valuable. You can redeem them for various rewards like shopping vouchers, exclusive Rosy merchandise, or even use them to upgrade your account to a premium user. Now, here is the most exciting part. Students who complete the Rosy course will receive a digital badge or certificate as an NFT on the Base network. This certificate is on-chain and permanent. You can mint your NFT and share it on LinkedIn to showcase your commitment to saving the planet. If you want to advertise with Rosy, you have 2 payment options: manual and with Base USDC. The first 10 people using Base USDC will receive a 15% discount, as well as those who upgrade to a premium user. The benefits of becoming a premium user include uploading a profile photo, receiving a check mark, and receiving more credit scans and credit listings. Now, Rosy also have friend feature. You can just scan your friend QR and boom, you can chat together now. Rosy also have referral link, and those who invite friends gets Rosy point. Rosy isn't just a virtual project. We are already collaborating with schools, local food brands, and are planning to partner with local waste banks and hold real-world events with rewards for students.